folks. Today we're going to talk about building wealth with the top home builders. Now, I've been following Fed data for over the past few months. A lot longer than that, actually, and it's steadily been improving. This week's jobless claims dipped into the 400,000 number, and it does appear that earnings are also showing signs of strength. While many countries are struggling, like Canada, India, oh man, don't get me started. The US is bouncing back, and it appears to be heading into a strong summer. While inflation is an issue, it appears that the housing market is remarkably solid. Building permits for privately owned homes in March were up 30% higher than they were a year ago. Housing starts were up 37% year over year. And most home builders are continuing to see strength ahead of the summer months, when historically, real estate heats up even more. Residential real estate ahead of the school year, when parents want to know exactly where they'll be living ahead of the registration of the kids for next year's school. Today, I have a few home builders that we need to focus on ahead of the sizzling summer months. This sector has been steadily outperforming the market, and with interest rates remaining near historic lows, it may be a good opportunity to jump into top home builders ahead of the summer sizzle. First stock, LGI Homes, ticker symbol LGIH. The company is engaged in the design construction of entry-level homes across Texas, Arizona, Florida, and Georgia. The company focuses on converting renters of apartments into single-family home owners into homeowners by offering homes at affordable locations, mostly in the South. The company is focused on the Southwest and is based out of Texas. Now, Silicon Valley has become so expensive and crowded, or overcrowded, that Austin, Texas has become a very big hub for venture capitalism and private equity firms. And I believe that this company will benefit from this massive exodus from the West Coast that's been happening for several years now. I left 3 years ago, and it's only increasing. 1 year return for this stock, 164%. It's a Russell 2000 stock, which means it has a lot of potential upside to go. Earnings, surprises, and estimates have been very positive, and I'm expecting more upside in the next quarter. I see a price target of about $200 per share over the next quarter, and possibly sooner if rates stay steady for the next few months, which I believe they will. Next stock, Toll Brothers. You've heard of this one, ticker symbol TOL. Now, it builds an array of luxury residential single-family homes. I went completely in the opposite direction. The first company was starter homes. This is luxury homes. Detached, attached homes, master planned resort-style golf communities, urban, low, mid, and high-rise communities, principally on land that it develops and improves. Toll Brothers is now the number 5 biggest home builder in the US. It's an upscale home builder, which is a very good market to be in right now, since many wealthy people are deploying their cash into real estate rather than having to sit around bank account earning very little. 1 year return, 162% plus. Super solid 4 quarters of earnings surprises and positive estimates. I'm currently showing a price target of roughly $80 per share over the next quarter, and I believe we will reach that level if money remains cheap and interest rates continue to remain near all-time lows, which is more probable since the Fed has been telling us that they won't raise rates till 2023, which gives home builders much-needed sizzle for growth. I hope that helps. Folks, I'm finally pulling back the curtain on a group of stocks poised for enormous gains this summer. In case you haven't heard, 3 major events might have set off the biggest market triggers we've seen in decades. But the traders who can correctly identify where the money is headed have the chance to collect massive gains on stocks as they rise. In fact, I've already snagged a 414% winner in 1 week using this strategy. And luckily for you, I'm an expert at finding trades like these. So I'm ready to reveal my secret and the number 1 stock that's likely to do it again. Click on the link below to hear what I have to say and to learn which stock I'll be targeting next. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube, and folks, stay ahead of the market by being the first to be notified when we post new videos. Have a great day.